cold September rain came down, nigh on 50 years. I vowed to never feel again and never shed another tear. I'd lie awake at night thinking about wrong and thinking about right. My voice refrained from being heard while the radio played someone else's words. I hung on every single line. Some took my breath away, some made my heart bleed. I felt a bond that touched me deep inside, as if those songs were written just for me. Takes a lot of courage when you express your thoughts, to reflect on peaks and valleys you thought that time forgot. Don't matter if it's trying, it don't matter if it's small. We've all had good fortune, we've all hit the wall. I know I'm not a poet, I don't pretend to be. Now my words mean so much to me. Music soothes an aching heart, it helps to ease the pain, and can save you from a cold September rain.